This is Huey the monster. He's going crazy, and he's really, really hyper. He's a death monster. Okay, he's calm right now.
Come back when he's hyper.
This is our fort. It's a chair. We won't go near him. Otherwise he attacks us. Here you go. I will try to tame the beast. Be distracted. Go. Good boy, Huey. Good boy. Tamed the beast.